Today I will show you how to put videos inside shapes in Premiere Pro. Once your clip is on the timeline, let's frame the subject's face using a custom shape. Long press the rectangle tool to pick your preferred shape, then draw it directly onto the preview monitor. You can adjust the width and height of the rectangle in the Properties panel on the side, as shown. Additionally, you can round the corners of the rectangle using this option here. Staying on the same rectangle layer in the timeline, create a second rectangle with different dimensions and adjust it using the Properties panel as before. You can also add a third one following the same process. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Track Matte key, and drag it onto your video clip. In the Effect Controls panel, under the Matte option, select Video 2. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.